Hello, in this video I'm going to show you how to make a photo with green screen. So first you want to go to the green screen app, and then if you are in a project, back out. Then you're going to click the plus button, create new project, and then in the middle section down bottom you're going to click the plus button and you're going to choose image. And you will have wanted to take your image ahead of time, so take a picture in front of the green screen. And then you're going to go in and choose that picture that you took. Click Use. And then you're going to go down to the bottom and choose the bottom plus. And this is where you're going to put your background image, so choose Image. And that also you'll want to collect ahead of time. Then you can click the middle section where you have your green screen photo, so you get the red lines around it. And then you can move your picture around and resize it. If you want to make it smaller, you pinch it and then place it where you want it. And then when you choose the upper plus, you can add another object into the picture. So in this case I made a logo for STEM night and I'm going to add that. Click Use, and it's going to take up the whole screen, so you pinch it smaller, get it to the size you want, and place it where you want it. And then to save your picture, you're going to go down to the save area and you need to switch it to image. Once you've switched it to image, then click Save. And then you can choose where you want to save it by clicking the box with the up arrow. I clicked Save Image and that will put it in your photo library, but you could also airdrop it or email it or tweet it, whatever style you want to send it out with, and then click OK. In this case, because we put in our photos, we're going to click Done, and then we're going to go find it in our photos. It should be the last one saved, is usually on the bottom, and there it is. If you open it up, then you could use that image any way you want, so in another app, or you can send it out to someone. Feel free to contact me if you need any help.